Jeric. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me You're gonna hear me I'm floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee. I heard this rise. I went from zero to hero. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready to had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear
Stage for their consolation prizes. Our grand finalists, Natalie Miran, Chloe Syra Lalas, and Lyra Isabel Serafica. You are going to receive your consolation prize worth 500 pesos each.
Yun. Lahat po ng mga nabanggit na pangalan, i-claim nyo na po yung mga cancellation.
So may we have on stage Natalie Miran, Chloe Syra Lalas, and Lyra Isabel to be represented by her cousin Via Palge. Si Natalie.
Ingat anak.
Natalie Miran.
Sino kayo mananalo?
Sino po ang mag-claim ng para kay Natalie Miran?
Sayang, 500 pesos. Ay, si Natalie na yun.
Si Chloe.
Mag-award pa kayo sa singing.
Oh my God.
Kayo mananalo. Sabihin po yung
Wala po yung isa. Baka i-claim yung bukas. Taga dyan lang naman po.
Ako teachers.
Kaya
Mananalo din yung mga alaga nila. At walang bias-bias sa akin.
once again, congratulations and thank you po sa ating mga sponsors. For the boys kids, starting with our second runner-up.
Garnering the total score of 89.78%, our second runner-up is... Finalist number 3.
Via Rinaya Falge of Barangay Bantugan. She is going to receive 1,000 pesos cash prize and the sponsor is Miss Janet Lictawa Latonio. Congratulations, Via Rinaya Falge of Barangay Bantugan.
Oh, so we have 2 gentlemen remaining.
Aha.
Sino kaya sa kanilang dalawa ang ating tatanghaling champion of the Boys Kids? Ladies and gentlemen, the Boys Kids first runner-up, garnering the total score of 92.71%.